Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Flight Path Sundays. I'm your host, Original Dobo, and today it is about 50 degrees out right now. It is a very nice day here in Florida. It's been really cold. I know the East Coast has totally been getting slammed as of late. It sort of makes me wish I was at CES so I can escape this cold. I digress. Anyways, if you're new here, let me explain how this works. Flight Path Sundays is a fan-based submission episode where you can have your drone footage basically featured on the channel. You can also submit your user tags, your Instagram, whatever you want, whatever shout-outs you want, I'll go ahead and include in the video. Currently, we've only had one submission, not a big deal. I've been sort of supplementing the show for a little while now, and today's location was absolutely awesome. I've seen this a couple of times. I've driven past this multiple times, and I finally got a chance to stop, and it was pretty awesome. And oh shit, I missed my exit. Oh. Well, I guess that's what happens when you're sitting there talking. Anyways, damn, I really missed my exit. Okay. Anyways, today's location was Sulphur Springs Park in Tampa. It's right off 275. It's this massive water tower type thing. It just looks really cool, and I've always wanted a chance to go check it out and fly there, but I never found myself in the area. And finally today I said, well, I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna go ahead and check it out, and we're gonna fly. And we did just that, and the footage came out really amazing. I'm super happy with it. And yeah, so this is episode number 6 of Flight Path Sundays, Sulphur Springs Park. I hope you all enjoy.